Okay, guys, we're with Jenny Magbanua. I'm not sure kung naalala niyo siya from the previous YouTube video. She was in the video where she paid for all of her parents' debt. I don't know if you remember. I don't know if you remember. I don't know if you remember that. Pero before we begin, Jenny, pinopromote ng World Vision. Kakatapos mo lang mag-yoga. You're promoting the World Vision Run. Can you tell people more about that? Ano, what's the World Vision Run and how can they support it also?
So there is a World Vision na fun run, pero ano na siya, virtual run lang siya. They do this yearly kasi, pero this year they're going to do it virtually. So sa bahay nyo lang, you can enroll in 21, 12, basta marami. This is for the benefits of the children that the World Vision is supporting.
Okay, so World Vision is a foundation for those that want. I think they're helping kids have schools, no, para better education for kids. So, yun, I'll put the link below. Send me the link below, and then we'll link it also para at least for those who want to contribute also. Si Jenny advocate dyan sa World Vision. Okay, so since we are a investment YouTube channel, what are your questions, Jenny Magbanua? After
so,
yoga pa yan. Go.
Stocks pa rin ba talaga yung para sa'yo, yung the best investment sa lahat?
If you're asking me personally, stocks pinaka gusto ko. Pero syempre, per person, case-to-case basis yun. It doesn't, what works for me won't work for every person out there. So yung pinaka-goal ng kailangan malaman ng bawat tao is ano yung investment na nag-work para sa kanila. Ano yung style na nag-work sa kanila? Investing ba? Trading ba? Anong market ba nag-work sa kanila? Philippines ba? US ba? Singapore ba? Anong asset class ba? Bonds ba? Bitcoin ba? Forex ba? Real estate ba? Starting their own business? Buying commodities? And they have to find what will work for them, or they have to find ano yung group na nag-work for them. Pwede kasing tatlo eh. Pwede magaling sila sa stocks. Pwede rin may bonds sila tapos may commodities sila or nagbe-business sila. So, they can double down kung saan sila okay. Pero if you're asking me, ano yung pinaka-favorite ko? Stocks pa rin yung pipiliin ko.
Second sa stocks. After stocks, ano?
Business. So, kaya ako nagustuhan yung stocks kasi, ano rin siya eh, you're analyzing businesses. So the same way pag nagninegosyo ka, the same way you will treat your business kung okay ba yung negosyo mo, okay ba yung cash mo, okay ba yung utang mo, ino-overextend mo ba sarili mo, okay ba yung pamamalakad mo. The same way you look at other people's businesses, ganun din yung pag-analyze mo sa stocks, especially sa investing. So hindi mo magagawa sa commodities yun, hindi mo magagawa sa Bitcoin yun, hindi mo magagawa sa hindi capital markets na investment. So kaya ako gusto yung stocks kasi heavily connected siya sa business eh. So kunyari lahat nung nagsa-start ako, nagbabasa ako ng mga principles nila Henry C, nagbabasa ako ano ginagawa nila Steve Jobs, ano ginagawa ng mga magagaling na business persons. So in the same way, naisip ko since magaling sila sa business nila, it became easier for me to invest in the stock market kasi why do I have to reinvent the wheel when I can just invest in their own businesses also? So hindi mo magagawa yung ganung analogy sa ibang mga investments eh. So there.
Sige. So ito, kasi 'di ba, I'm a financial advisor din. So ang dami kong taong nakakausap daily, iba-iba yung gusto nila. So may ibang tao na kasi ako I believe in na marami kang diversification. Hindi naman sobrang dami pero I diversify, like I have stocks, I have mutual funds. So ano naman masasabi mo, Marbs? Kasi alam ko ikaw nag-mutual funds ka din, no? Ano naman masasabi mo doon sa mga tao na they don't want to invest, they don't want to diversify, gusto nila yung pera nila stocks sila lang. Pero I believe kasi hindi naman lahat magaling eh. Di ba? Like, I don't know.
Ayun, diversification is very important. Nag-Facebook Live kami yesterday. Pero ito yung gusto ko sabihin, hindi lang diversification ng assets yung importante. Diversification ng cash flow. Kasi, like ngayon, meron din naman ako mga assets or pati business na because of the lockdown, zero talaga siya. Meron din ibang assets din talaga na zero talaga siya. Meron din iba na royalties na zero din talaga siya. Pero kung mixed yung cash flow mo, heavily diversified yung cash flow mo, there will be times na pangit yung iba, pero there will be times also, even in the baddest of times, you will still have asset classes that will earn for you. I'll give you an example. Royalties ko sa National Bookstore, dahil sarado National Bookstore, wala. Pero yung bonds ko, may pumapasok sa mga bonds ko, may pumapasok sa preferred shares ko, may pumapasok sa common stocks ko na nagbibigay ng dividends. Yung mga fixed income ko, may pumapasok din doon. Then you add yung sa trade sa stock market, capital appreciation, meron din. Pero in other areas that are not doing so well, it gets compensated by other assets or businesses that are doing well also. So it's important to do that kasi hindi mo alam ano mangyayari. Ang dami kong kilala ngayon na may business na sarado businesses nila. So dahil wala silang ibang investments, zero talaga sila. Pero madami rin akong kilala may business, pero may iba pa silang mga business na totally opposite from their current business, that yung pinaka main business nila na wala, pero dahil may iba pa silang sources na either investment or business, somehow they're okay. May pangkain sila. So diversification is important because hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari. Diversification is important because it allows you also to take advantage of opportunities. Kung wala kang cash na nakaseparate, madami tao ayaw mag-iwan ng cash, especially when times are good. So, sayang siya because pag madami kang cash, in times like this, you will be able to act normally, pero you will also be able to take advantage of some very, very good situations sa investments. So, ayun, I believe in diversification because kahit gaano tayo kagaling in whatever practice that you have, may dadating din yung point na it won't last forever. So it's important to diversify.
So ito Mars, ang dami kong kakilala ngayon, friends or mga hindi naman friends, yung iba kakilala lang, hindi man close, na talagang walang savings. Like 'di ba, 3 buwan nang nag-ECQ, walang savings, walang pera, walang trabaho. Anong masasabi mo sa kanila? How can they go out of this situation na ma-okay sila? Kasi wala eh.
Hindi, dapat pa lang nung start, nung na-foresee na nila na wala, they should have found, it was 3 months also is already enough time or even sa gitna nun na makapaghanap ng extra source of income eh. Kung wala talaga sila mahanap na extra, kung wala akong mahanap na extra source of income sa ngayon, either wala akong skill, kasi skill yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng pera eh, or meron ka something na you can offer people that they can pay for you. Kung wala pa yun, wala ka pa naisip, pero kailangan mo talaga ng pera, I'll start selling na. Kung kailangan ibenta ko yung kotse ko, bibenta ko yung kotse ko para may papasok. Bili mo, selling a car, makakuha ka ng, depende ko anong kotse mo. No? For example, meron kang Montero, benta mo ng 1 million yun, second hand. It's 1 million pesos, it will get you by. Wala kang, minsan, hindi ka na rin naman makakalabas eh. Yung mas importante ngayon, you survive eh. Because if you survive, later on, makakabili ka ulit ng kotse. So, I'd rather sell. Last resort ko yung utang ako para magkaroon ako ng chance magkaroon ng pera. So, yun. Fine. This is the time to be resourceful. This is the time also na kung may mga luxuries ka dati na was part of your normal, wala tayo sa new normal eh. Sometimes you have to give that up, na or may mga items na kailangan mo magtipid. For example, may pera ka, gusto mo bumili ng TV, may TV ka pa naman, di wag ka muna bumili ng TV, gamitin mo muna yung current mo na TV, ganun.
So ito marami kasi akong kilala din na nag-invest dati sa real estate. So di ba real estate, matagal mo, may 2 years ka dapat na babayaran yun. What if hindi mo na kayang bayaran ngayon? What's your benta mo? Depende.
Ano ba yan? Pre-selling, not pre-selling?
Mostly pre-selling. Asking for a friend. Kasi tinanong niya to sa akin.
Pre-selling na.
Pre-selling pa. Pre-selling, hindi niya na kayang bayaran.
I think they should kung magagawan pa nila ng paraan to find ways para mabayaran yun, that's the first option na gagawin ko. Second, kung di ko na mabayaran, bibenta ko na lang siya. Pero you can expect that kung malaki na yung linagay niya, para at least masalvage niya, try at least siya mag-break even dun sa kung ano man yung nahulog niya. Or, I don't know, depends. Ano?
Pa-assume niya na lang sa may bibili. Kung may
benta na lang. Basta at least, may balik na makuha siya. Pero depende, kung 40,000 pa lang naman nalagay niya, hayaan na lang niya. So, depende kung ano yung amount na pera din nalagay mo also.
Tama. Sige. Okay. I'll tell her.
Okay.
Sabi ko na benta na. Tama naman siguro. Benta mo na.
That's it?
Peace of mind is worth. Walang makakatalo sa peace of mind.
Okay.
Para sa
Do you have questions pa, Jenny Magbanua?
So, kung may isa kang stock na i-recommend na buy on Monday, ano yun? Isa lang.
Ang dami kayong mga videos na na-post ko na about yung mga movements ng stocks, no? If you notice it, yung run ng stocks, a few days ago, they've already moved up. A lot of them have started to go down already. So if they have patience, minsan kasi it's not about kung kailangan nila bumili ng Monday. Kung wala naman kasi kailangan bilhin ng Monday, hindi naman kailangan pilitin eh. The best thing that people can do is to move, to ride moves in the market. The best thing that they can do when the market is up, sabayan nila. Kung meron man nag-breakout, sabayan lang nila yun. Kung bumabagsak yung market, pwede naman, may mga stocks that they can find that are moving contrary to the market. Pero kung wala naman yun sa normal watch list nila, kasi ako style ko lang, kung anong nasa watch list ko, yun lang din, paulit-ulit yun yung binabatayan ko, paulit-ulit lang yun. Kung wala naman may buy signal doon, you don't have to force yourself to go beyond your watch list to buy just for the sake of buying. Yung technique mo lang, pag wala siyang buy signal, hintayin mo lang kasi babalik din naman siya doon eh. When it comes back, what you need to exercise is the confidence to actually buy it. So pag wala yun, you have to also exercise patience that you're not supposed to do anything. So my suggestion is people should forget finding every stock na may buy signal. People should have their watch list and be faithful to that. Kung 10 yung nasa watch list mo, pag may isa doon na may buy signal, lagyan mo ng pera. Kung 3 lang yung stocks na binabantayan mo, habang walang buy signal yun, patient ka rin na may cash. Pero once na kahit takot lahat ng mga tao, pero may buy signal yun, tayaan mo, lagyan mo ng pera. And that's how money is made. It's not about chasing every stock that's out there. It's about kung ano yung nasa formula mo, kung ano yung nasa strategy mo, kung ano yung nasa listahan mo na stocks na nandun. It doesn't matter if it's only Mega World or Ayala Land lang yun nandun or Ayala Corp lang yun nandun or lahat bangko yung binabantayan mo. As long as every time na may signal yun na you buy, binin mo siya. Yun.
As long as may pera ka.
Yun important. Kung wala kang cash, syempre it's more important to prioritize your savings first. Huwag ka muna mag-invest.
Tama. Kasi I was with a conversation with a friend din from Mindanao last week. Ang dami nang pwedeng bilhin pero wala na kami extra cash kasi nga may iba pa naman. So hindi ko muna kami bumili. Kahit pwede bilhin pero kung wala nang pambili, so wala nang muna. Kung ano naman.
Kahit may cash ka, pero yung cash na yun, hindi mo alam kung may trabaho ka next month, itago mo muna yung cash. You don't always have to take advantage of every opportunity out there. You always have to, unahin mo muna kung yung comfort level mo kasi mamaya ilagay mo yun, tapos mamaya wala ka ng pangkain next month or wala ka ng savings for next month. You will also be in trouble. So, yun.
Basic needs pa rin comes first.
Oh, that's it? Do you have any other questions? Jenny Magbanua from Cebu, from World Vision, na nagkaka-yoga lang.
Di ba? Wala na. So,
wala na? Okay. Ano yun?
Yun ang naisip ko ngayon.
Okay. Ako na lang may tanong. Madami nag-comment, madami nag-react dun sa video mo na tinulungan mo yung parents mo. Tapos may mga nag-comment naman na hindi dapat burden ng anak yung dapat responsibility ng parents to take care of themselves. Hindi dapat nila pinasa sa burden sa anak nila yon. Anong comment mo doon? And then we'll just end with that.
Yung iba, hindi ko alam kung pinanood ba nila lahat yung buong video. Kasi yung ibang comments, parang feel ko lang. Huwag naman akong awayin. Feel ko lang yung iba, binasa lang yung yung title, hindi nila pinanood lahat. Okay. So hopefully pinanood nila lahat. Pero ito naman, I always love my parents, no? Kahit yung mga auntie ko na tumulong lahat sa amin, I appreciate them. Kaya nga ang gaan sa loob ko eh, 'di ba? Ilang years ba 'yun? Ever since na nagtrabaho ata ako, nung nagtulong ako. Hindi naman siya burden, darating lang siya sa point na talagang paano ko ba sasabihin? If dumating kasi ako sa point ng walang-wala ako. So, yun yung nakasama. Kasi sobrang, ano ba yun? Umabot ako sa limit, which is dapat hindi siya umabot sa ganun. You should have taken care of myself at that time. Na hindi ko dapat pinarating sa ganung point na talagang ako yung wala. Buti nga okay ako nakasurvive. Yun lang. Pero
okay. So dapat tulungan ng magulang o hindi? Para sa mga ibang tao?
Tulungan, pero may pero. Encourage them naman to, ang hirap kasi pag matanda na kasi 'di ba? It's the habit. Yung ganon na hindi pa ma-change kasi nga matanda na sila. Pero at some point din naman nag-get naman ang preference what I really want. At saka
okay, got it. Maraming salamat, Jenny Magbanua. Kung gusto niyo pag-usapan pa natin yung topic na to about helping relatives, put it in the comment section below and then we'll try to make more videos out of that, no, about, kasi most of the videos, guys, I'm not sure kung napapansin niyo to, most of the videos that I've been doing lately, puro about investing. But if you want more personal topics like this, medyo ano rin siya, medyo controversial tutulungan mo ba yung magulang mo o hindi mo tutulungan? So, put it in the comment section if you guys have any questions. We'll try to make videos on that. Thank you, Jenny, sa mga questions mo. Alam ko biglaan lang to, guys. Nag-yoga lang talaga siya. Tapos inano ko kasi sabi ko, Jenny, kailangan may video tayo for today. So, ayun, Jenny, thank you for sending your questions, and to everyone, I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all. Ano yun?
World Vision.
Please support World Vision. Okay, bye everyone.
Bye-bye.